Hello, Donut Fam. This is Glazy. In today's video, I'll go through our new dashboard so that you can quickly learn how to make use of it. In the navigation bar, from top to bottom, Home, Assets, D0 Agent, Personalized, and Referrals. In the Assets section, you can see your capital distribution across various platforms. From left to right, it includes Donut Wallet, Donut Perps, Hyperliquid Perps, and Polymarkets. This allows you to see your exposure and distribution across the different areas in one place. The D0 agent interface primarily displays a behavioral profile of you as a trader. This needs 30 days of continuous interaction with D0 for it to better understand your trading patterns. Next, the Systems section mainly shows connection status and the daily LLM quota. This quota can also be viewed in real time via the battery-like icon in the top right corner. You can upgrade or downgrade your plan at any time. Then, we come to the personalized interface. We find it empty here. In other videos, I've demonstrated the function of generating a dashboard with one prompt. So now, let's quickly show you how to get D0 to generate a deep report. Here, I ask it to generate a thorough report on NVDA for its latest financial report. Highlight those who might affect my trading style only. I've sent this prompt directly to D0. While it's working, let's continue to explore. In the top left corner, there's a D0 activity section. Here, we can see in real time what it's doing for us in the background, whether you are trading or adding tokens to the watch list. In the watch list, we can also generate a centralized dashboard interface based on our positions on different platforms. This allows us to view a list that tracks real-time price changes for these trading pairs, divided into spot and perps. In the middle interface, we can see real-time candlestick charts. In the bottom left, under Automations, we'll delete some outdated automatic workflows that we created previously. For today's test scenario, we can, for example, send dzirc. Set me a price alert when BTC hits 80,000. Check the price per hour. D0 will queue up this task based on the instruction. In the middle lower part of the interface, we can also see our real-time positions on D0. Upon entering the trade button in the middle, we can see that based on the isolated margin mode set, and with the changes of leverage, D0 will provide a maximum value on the slider according to our capital exposure and risk preference. For example, if we set it to 50 times leverage here, we can only trade this much BTC. It will also show the real-time transaction fees. Let's try long BTC with 50 times leverage. We'll find that it just takes seconds to get it done. After opening the position, we can see the real-time position in Donut Perps or other corresponding trading interface. In the history interface, we can see all our past trading activities, whether you want to view your trades, positions, or orders. Wow, we see that D0 has come back with the in-depth report and the price monitoring is displayed in the automation block. We can navigate to the personalized interface and enter the report section to see the in-depth report. It has provided some data based on NVIDIA's Q1 financial report and highlighted what matters for my trading style. It gives very detailed information here. We can take a few seconds to see its research capabilities. This report is quite long. At the end of the report, it also lists the sources it used. And the last thing we haven't talked about is the referral. This is for when you find D0's features very useful. You can have a custom invitation link. Currently, you can send the link to friends or your followers. If they subscribe to D0 through your link, they will receive a 20% discount for the first month, and also you will get a bonus. If you have any feedback, please feel free to like, comment, or retweet the video. Thank you for watching. Donut.